Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. Today what we are going to be making is some Parmesan chicken. Very easy to put together, not too many ingredients. You can have it up for dinner in no time at all. You can even make this part ahead of time, put it in the refrigerator when you get home, pop it in the oven and you're ready to go. Okay, first thing we are going to do is, this is a stick of butter, half a cup of butter. We are going to add some Dijon mustard to it, some Worcestershire sauce, or Worcestershire sauce, however you prefer to pronounce it. And we're going to give this a whisk. Try to get everything incorporated. And then we're going to add some pepper. And some salt. Okay, just give it a little mix. Okay, and here in this dish, let me move this out of the way. Here in this dish, I have some breadcrumbs. I use the Italian breadcrumbs. You can use the plain ones, it doesn't matter. And we're gonna add some Parmesan, some grated Parmesan cheese. And then you just give this a mix. This is so easy, guys. I'm going to put this in the order that we're going to place it onto our, I have a baking sheet with the parchment paper just to make it easier for cleanup here. Okay, so you take your, I did rinse the chicken, it's clean, ready to go. You can use chicken breasts. I use the tenders only because I had them and you know they're easy to handle. I'm going to get my chicken tender and I'm going to roll it around in the butter. This is not a no-fat dinner, by no means. Let the excess drip off. Pour it into your breadcrumbs. Shake it off. Place it onto the cookie sheet just like that. See how easy that was? Nothing to it. Okay, let's do a couple of these. Okay guys, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Now we're going to pop this into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes. You want to check the internal temperature of your chicken. When it reads 165, you're good. Okay guys, I'll be back when this is finished. Alrighty guys, the chicken is out of the oven and now all I do is sprinkle a little bit of parsley for some color. You can use fresh parsley if you have it. And that's it. I'm going to plate this up for you. Look at that. Smells delicious. I'll be right back guys. Let me plate this up. Okay guys, here it is. This is our Parmesan chicken. I sure hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it for you. It smells delicious. And all I do is I prepare some noodles with some olive oil and butter. And I place the Parmesan chicken on top. You can have some vegetables on the side if you like. Very delicious, very easy recipe. A good weeknight meal that you can prepare for your family. Okay guys, that's going to conclude the video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, the link is right there. Everything that I used, the recipe and any ingredients and items will be in the description bar below as always. That's gonna do it for today guys. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.